What's up everybody, this is Colin Dijs with Dijs University, and in this video I'll explain to you why affiliate marketing is easy.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Everybody's struggling, I see all you guys watching my explainer videos, but I want to stick with the basics right now, explain to you why affiliate marketing is such a great business model, how you can use it to your advantage, and actually why it is so easy. Because understand this, when you start your own business, when you're trying to make money, you can either work a job and get paid for your time, or you can invest time and money with affiliate marketing and get something in return, hopefully in the future profits. So business costs money. I get too many people asking me every single day, how can I make money without making an investment? I have no money. If you don't have money, get a fucking job and get some money to invest to turn it into a real business. Yes, you can start a business without any money, going the organic route, but that is not what I specialize in. I specialize in paid traffic, and with paid traffic and affiliate marketing, business costs money. So you invest the money, and for me, I did print on demand, I did drop shipping before I turned into affiliate marketing. I spent 12,700 euros, which is around $13,500 before I got my first profit. Just let that sink in. Now we're like 3 years later, obviously we're doing big things if you are familiar with this channel, but you invest, you turn around the system through experience. And you can only get experience from doing it, meaning investing your own money with ads to get those great results. Experience, make the mistakes, do everything so you can learn how it actually works. If you watch content, if you consume content, if you buy courses and stuff, that is not experience. You're watching theory based on somebody else's results. You have to go through it yourself. As soon as you have the experience, the profit is inevitable if you keep learning, keep making experience, keep implementing, and then never give up, obviously. No matter how long it takes, I worked a job for about a year while doing affiliate marketing. There's a video on my channel about it. It's on my homepage for my channel, where I actually explained how I made my first $182,000 while working a job at the same time. The most important thing is what I see people do, hitting a nail with a saw. A saw is a tool to cut timber, cut wood, or a steel saw can cut through steel, but it's not the right tool to nail down a nail into wood. It's better to do this with a hammer. So what that means is you have to look at time versus money and use the right tools to get where you want to go. If I want to hit a nail in a piece of wood, I can bring 100 pieces of equipment which all don't fit. I just need one fucking hammer and I can nail the nail into the wood, right? So that's basically how it works. You got to find what you want to achieve, how you're going to achieve it, and what tools you need to use to make that realistic, approachable, and obviously get to work. Then we have time versus money. Basically, that's very simple. No money, you need to invest time. No time, which basically means you're very busy and everything, then you probably have money and therefore you need to invest money. No time, meaning, no money, sorry, meaning you are in a day job, you want to quit, you want to do your own thing, then you have to invest time. Work 8 hours a day and then work another 4 to 5 hours for yourself. No Netflix, no parties, no fun for 2 years, and it will change your life, it will turn it around, and it will prosper your business processes. So invest time. No holidays, nothing like that. Save money, invest it, obviously, the time, utilize it to learn, study, work. No time, basically the point where I'm at. I work around 110, 120 hours a week, kept on time. I'm tired. I don't feel like quitting, but I cannot do more than this. And I have sufficient money to hire employees. Hire employees will give me more time for work, but not me, but somebody else. So, right, I have to invest money, I have to hire them, and they can do the work I otherwise should be doing, right? So basically this comes down with affiliate marketing to no money, invest time, no time, invest money. Traffic, no money, invest time, organic. Not what I focus on. No money, no time, invest money, paid traffic, right? That's what I specialize in. Tracker, you can use volume tracking software or any tracking software, or you can do it all manually with sub-IDs. It will cost you at least 2 hours a day, but if you don't have money for it, then you invest the time, the 2 hours a day. If you don't have time, you invest $60 a month minimum, and then you have a volume tracking software. Landing pages, creating landing pages, same thing. You have money, $49 a month, you invest it in Landerize, you can make your landing pages in 3 minutes, right? If you don't have money, then invest time, do it all manual. Do the index HTML, that stuff, around 30 minutes per landing page. However, it will save you money, right? Then there has to be a balance between saving money because you are in the wrong mindset or investing money in opportunities, right? No money, keep it simple, right? No time, go more advanced. If you don't have money, then just look at what you need to do to run campaigns. I would say a tracking software, a tool like Landerize is recommended. I don't recommend anybody to start affiliate marketing with less than $1,000, solely because that's not viable for a business. With $1,000, you can spend $100 on tools, that's fine. And then the rest you can invest, right? If it's going to save you a lot of time. However, if you do have all time of the day because you don't have a job, you have like 14 hours a day that you can work, maybe even more, 16, 18 hours a day that you can work, then obviously don't use those tools, do everything manual and get to the point where you can use the tools. However, the tools do for sure accelerate your learning process and make everything a whole lot easier. If you have no time, go more advanced. Go expansion on the tools. Use automated processes. Buy things like the Automizer as an add-on to Volume, which automizes your campaigns on rules you have preset. So you can basically go through the process step by step. What do you want to do? How are you going to do it? And then fucking do it, right? So there's a simple path. In affiliate marketing with paid ads, what we call media buying, we do testing, optimization, scaling. If you follow that simple process, and that process is laid out for all members in the dijsforum.com, where we have free courses in our affiliate marketing forum, also not free, 47 euros a month, but then there's already 2 courses in there right now, or one is going live this weekend. So 2 courses, one introduction to affiliate marketing, one 45 days native ad course. Don't buy it if you don't have money, obviously. Testing, optimizing, scaling. You can also research all these topics yourself on the interweb. There's a lot of information available on the internet, Google, YouTube, everywhere. Just be selective with what you're looking for, right? So we go through the testing phase, optimization phase, scaling phase, and then don't give up, follow a structured path, and then all you can do is hit that success. So affiliate marketing is actually quite simple if you focus on the right steps. Obviously, now a bunch of people are going to say, it's not easy, took you a year. Well, it's easy in terms of a business model. There are way more advanced business models. I'm building other businesses, and there's a lot more money involved, a lot of more time, planning, strategy involved. Affiliate marketing as a business is super simple. Money in, money out, just do the right calculation, right? Testing, optimizing, scaling, the process every time for all the verticals, all the traffic sources is the same. That's why it's so great, and you can scale it to like 10 million a month in spend, right? It's actually a great business model if you want to be a one-man army or if you want to build a small team. Great business model. So affiliate marketing actually is quite easy. If you have any questions from me, preferably complicated questions, leave them down in the comments below. All the tools I mentioned in this video, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.